Hello world! You stop craving chaos after a while. You stop chasing almost connection in people who only show up when it's convenient for them. You get tired of decoding mixed signals, of wondering what you did wrong when. Really, it was never about you. You wake up and the day belongs to you, your time, your energy, your thoughts. You start to realize how much love you were pouring into people who hadn't even met themselves yet. You don't hate love, you just see it differently now. You have seen what half-hearted looks like, and you had rather have silence than uncertainty. There's peace in solitude, real peace, the kind that doesn't make you second guess yourself, the kind that feels like finally coming home after years of chasing people who never know how to stay. And maybe that's the most unexpected part. You like who you are on your own. You like the calm that comes with no chasing, not setting, not waiting to be chosen. You have built a life that feels peaceful, one that doesn't depend on anyone showing up to complete it. Love will come if it meant to, but if it doesn't, you are already whole. You deserve someone to remember you, to choose you, to love you without being asked. And until that person comes along, let it be you. You deserve more than almost. You deserve more than people who only show up when it is convenient, more than being the page in someone else's story, while your own goes unread. You deserve the same care you keep giving away like it costs nothing. Love yourself the way you have been loving everyone else. Remember your own heart. Notice your own silence. Show up for yourself the way you always show up for them. Because you have been everything to everyone. It's time to be everything to yourself. By J. Wright's Poetry. Let's all get to watch the behind the scenes of Ama at the dressing room. And then, when everything perfectly transformed. Another shooting day of her work time. I got it that you are right to satisfy your soul and not the society. As always, trust the next chapter, as you already know the author.
No, dzień dobry, zobaczcie, jak nam tutaj pięknie zrobili. Zmiany. Dzisiaj u mnie kobieta po wielu życiowych perturbacjach, mogłabym powiedzieć, i która w moim przekonaniu, tak jak ją czytam, przechodzi odrodzenie. Bardzo jestem ciekawa tego spotkania i odcinek już w tę środę. I przypominam Wam, że o 19:00 widzimy się na Women's Live, który będzie prowadzić Małgosia Domagalik. Będę tam ja i Marta Manowska. Pogadamy o męskości, jak ją widzimy, czujemy, czytamy, czym dla nas jest. Bardzo, bardzo Was zapraszam. Będę nadawać do Was już z Wrocławia. Więc Ama obierze świat. Do zobaczenia.
Hola! Anna saying I really love those moments just before stepping onto the stage. Time seems to pause for a while and I begin to become someone else. Simone's invitation to Mercedes AMG. You will be among the first in the world to experience the next chapter of AMG, a car born in a falter batch to deliver revolutionary performance and maximum intensity. For this premiere, we are bringing the spirit of the German Autobahn to the street of Los Angeles, creating a stage worth of a machine engineered to deliver immense performance again and again over distance with confidence and thrill. Gotcha! Let's all watch this! At the Lote de Azure or French Riviera is a stunning stretch of the Mediterranean coastline in southeastern France famous for its azure water, glamorous resort towns, and sun-soaked climate. It is a premier destination combining coastal luxury, historic hilltop villages, and rich cultural heritage, stretching from the Italian border in the east to towns like St. Tropez and Toulon in the west. The region is sheltered by the Alps, resulting in exceptional mild winters and hot sunny summer. Great! Simone enjoying it! It is a perfect one if you do it, Michele, as you are ready to start touring your music. For me, why not begin it in Asia? As to what Michele say, but I wanna know all about everything that you done. Rough skin, flavor, nothing was enough. I'm suffocate, you just wanna see me. While I'll crawl down on the floor, that's alright, my sweet you say. Everything and every love, it's just an headache. You are insane, and when I'm high, I'm just a slave if yours. I want to give credit to the owner of the photos, a fan page of Michele, who is Fan Michele Morone forever. On the biopic, Maserati the brothers, Michele as Alfieri Maserati, Bologna 1914, the eldest of 7 brothers, visionary engineer and fearless racer. Founds with Ettore, Ernesto, Bindo and Mario, the company that will become the pride of Italian motoring, from a humble garage in Via Pepoli to the roar of Grand Prix circuits. A dynasty forged in oil and fire, rivaling Ferrari and conquering the world. Family, genius, sacrifice, and triumph. The Maserati legacy lives forever. Here are the behind the scenes of Maserati the Brothers movie. When Michele attended the Dolce & Gabbana Devotion Perfume Conference together with Irina Shayk.
And are we talking something? I feel blessed to be here representing Nima Fragrance for them. I don't know what to say more than this. I would like to find some more words to keep on talking. But I feel
what is this on G Magazine Italy? Oh my gosh, how very true that Michele was caught on a blind date with singer Sevdalisa on the street of central Milan at the wheel of a rare Maserati MC20 GT2 road car. In the two-seater seat next to him was Sevdalisa Akasevida Alizadeh, a Dutch-Iranian singer. Hey, 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 what's going on with them? Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 144 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. Your emotions are not something to be ashamed of or worried about. It's a wonderful and natural part of who you are. Being able to feel deeply, to connect with your heart is a beautiful gift that sets you apart. In a world that often encourages detachment and emotional numbness, your capacity to feel deeply is a rare and beautiful quality. It means you can appreciate the subtleties of life, finding beauty in the simplest of moments, and deriving meaning from the most profound experiences. It takes strength to let your heart guide you, to be open to the depth of human experiences, both the joys and the sorrows. Embrace your emotions with open arms. Let them guide you, teach you, and help you grow. Your emotional nature is a valuable part of who you are, and it is meant to be celebrated, cherished, and shared with the world. You are never alone in your feelings, and they are never a burden. They are beautiful reflection of who you are. When the people who care about you look at you, they see something special. They discover a world of beauty and complexity inside you. You are not just a collection of flaws and imperfections. You're a beautiful creation, a masterpiece in your own way. Your life is like a map of countless experiences. It's shaping you into the person you are today. Your existence reflects your strength, growth, and the beauty of being yourself. Your presence has a positive impact on the lives of those who love and care about you. Even when weight of life feels unbearable, choose to stay. Your journey matters a lot, and there's a people who care about being a part of it. By J. Wright's Poetry.